Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to deploy a Laravel and any node project in Hostinger. Well, first of all, we're going to go to the Hostinger website and we're going to use our hosting plan. We are going to do manage and we are going to create a subdomain or a domain. I will create a subdomain in order to upload my project. So I'm gonna call it as text cleaner and it's going to be a subdomain and I will do create. Well, this is only going to create a folder and now we are going to go to advanced and we're going to use the SSH access. Here you can configure it. You can create your username and your password, and I'm going to use the CMD. I'm going to paste this and place the password I set. So from here we're going to go to the domains and we're going to use the second domain. We're going to the public HTML and here we saw that a new folder is created, so I'm going to do to this folder and I'm going to show you the project. Well, basically if you want to run, you just have to do PHP artisan serve, and to compile with React it's npm run dev. And I'm just going to check that everything seems fine, and it seems fine locally. So the next thing I will do is that I'm going to upload my project in Git. You can use GitLab or GitHub and we're going to clone it. So I'm going to clone it with HTTPS and I'm going to do git clone and I'm going to paste it. You have to place your user and your password. Okay, I downloaded, so let me see if everything got okay. Yeah, everything got fine, but we have to move all the files from the text cleaner to the root. So in order to make it easier, we can use the file manager in Hostinger. So I'm going to move it. So I'm going to move all of them to the root. There it's here. So let me check. Okay, I move it to the root, so let me move again. It's going to be to the text cleaner. So let me see. I'm going to open the text cleaner. Okay, so I can remove this folder. Okay, so basically we have our project here. Okay, so now what we have to do is that we're going to use the composer. So let me go here. Okay, yes, we are in the right folder. So I'm just going to do composer to install because I'm using the version for PHP 8 and I already do the composer install, and here since we don't have npm install, we are going to compile it and we will upload in the public folder here from our local. So if you have another version of PHP, what you can do is that go to advanced PHP info, and here you can see the PHP that it's using, and also you can change the PHP here, PHP configuration. You can use the version you are using here and just do update. So right now our project is online, so we can do text cleaner dot our domain. Okay, so here in the text cleaner it's opening the default PHP. We are going to open it, and here is the one that is showing, so I'm going to delete it and I'm going to update it. And from here we have to check the public, and we have to add the .htaccess, and this file I'm going to copy from other project. This one I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it in our project text cleaner. So I'm going to open it, and from here it says that it's going to get the files that are in the public, so I'm going to reload, and from here we already have access, but we have to do the settings for our Node.js. So the next thing that we have to do is that we need to compile it. So from here we are just going to follow this guide, and we are going to clear all the PHP configurations, all the PHP settings. No, I'm going to stop it. And then I just need this clean, and this is only if it doesn't work. This is to reinstall all the packages, and then we're just going to do npm run build. This will create us a build folder in the public folder. So it created the build folder, and we're going to copy this in the files. So we go to public and we paste this folder. So we are going to copy and paste this build folder. So it already uploaded, and then we're just going to upload. And this server error, we haven't set the emp, so remember that we have to always do the settings for the emp file in the Laravel. So I'm just going to use the same, so it's this one, and we have to do the changes here. So I'm going to call it as text cleaner, and we have to save everything. Okay, we have to also do the settings for the password for the database. So let's go to the DB. So from here we just do, we look the databases, we go to management, we create a new database, and let me call it as text cleaner, and I'm going to use admin, and I'm going to set password, and I'm going to create it. So we already have this, and from here I'm just going to upload the emp file. So the DB name is this one. So this is the database, and the user is this. And you also have to set the password. So I'm going to save it, and I will reload it. Okay, so let's just see if we can run the migration. So let's see we have in the right position, and we're just going to do php artisan migrate. So all the migration got okay, and I'm going to reload it. So it's done. So now let's just test that everything is working fine. So yeah, everything is working as expected. So thank you, feel free to comment.